Hey Ashley, my name's Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you three things that you can implement today so that you can start outranking your top competitor on Google. We spoke briefly and you had me go ahead and send this over, so just keeping my promise and sending this over to you. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm making this for you in the first place, and it's simple. It's Q4. I've been a small business owner in various industries, and what I've realized is that a lot of small business owners out there are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers that they really don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing that's really stopping them from doing that is knowing who really is an expert on this and who is not. So I started creating an attack plan to show small businesses and just giving them away for free. Some people take the information and they do it themselves, and some people call me back and say, hey, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this, or the tools, or the know-how, honestly. Can you do it for me? And so whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal from this is that you learn from this video and so that I can help you make a lot of money. Okay, so let's start by just, when I type in water damage repair in Arvada, here's what comes up. Okay, so, oh, I'm sorry. So let's see if this is you. So this is not you. I thought it was at first, but here's what comes up. So you've got your Google ads right here. You've got your Google Map Pack right here. And then you've got your organic searches right here. So the goal from this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do to get onto this front page and get into this Google Map Pack, okay? So let's first look at your website. It's a really good looking website. It has a call to action right here, which is great. It has a phone number and email, which is very easy to see. You've got your services here, your about and contact with your social media. It's a good looking site and it's very easy to use. And if somebody were to go into your website, they'd probably call you pretty quickly. The question is this website serving as mostly just a digital business card, or are people actually being, linked to your website when they type this in? So the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is content. So content is king when it comes to Google. The average site has about 1,500 words in Google, okay? So your homepage, I apologize. So your front page definitely does not have 1,500 words. So that would be a good place for you guys to start, is to get 1,500 words at least, if not 2,000 words on this front page. And the content matters even more than the number of words. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout this website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your service. So for example, water damage repair or water damage restoration, Arvada would be a keyword. So how to show this, here is your website right here. And this is a paid tool that we use called Ahrefs. There are free ones out there that you can use. And it basically shows us, don't get too confused here, I'm just going to focus on keywords. So it shows us how many keywords you have on your website. And then here is your top competitor, Colorado Cleanup Services. And I've also, because they're the company that comes up first in Google. So I've also pulled up their data, and they have 445 keywords, okay? So they have 445 compared to your 37. So what you need to do is go in and find the keywords that are ranking for them. So Colorado Cleanup Services, that's their company name, but Restoration Denver, Denver Restoration, restoration companies in Denver, mold remediation, or Denver mold remediation. So these are all very buyer intent, right? If somebody's looking for mold remediation in Denver, it's likely they're trying to get that done right now. So what I would do is find all the buyer intent keywords that they are ranking for currently and add them to your site and put a lot of them on your front page and get your content up to 1,500 to 2,000 keywords. And a trick you guys can do is you can save these images as keywords as well. So instead of it being asset 5-1, you can save this as, mold remediation Denver, mold remediation Arvada, and you can do that with all of your photos so that, those are ranking for you as well. So this is better. This one looks like it actually has that in there. Okay. So that's the first thing. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is a backlink. You need backlinks in your website. So a backlink is when another website links to yours, driving traffic to your website. So Google is like a giant popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to yours. So same thing, we can go into your site here. You've got currently 64 backlinks coming from 45 different websites. And between those two things and the keywords, it's generating about this many visits per month. However, you have to understand that this is usually undervalued in these tools. It's usually 5 to 10 times this amount. So you're probably getting anywhere from 40 to 80 people visiting your site per month. So let's look at your top competitor. They have 1,800 backlinks compared to your guys' 64 backlinks. So they have 1,800 backlinks coming from 129 different websites, and it's yielding this much traffic per month. So as you can probably tell, a lot more views on their sites, and it's pulling up high on Google, which is getting them many more sales. So what you can do, same thing. All you got to do is go to their backlinks, click on all these, add yourself to all of the same ones and more. So instead of 1,800, probably do 2,200 or 2,300. And what you do is you just click on it, you get listed on these sites. So they're the first one here, and this links to their website, and that's what's called a backlink. So you can sign in and add yourself to all these same backlinks that they have, one by one, and get it done and outrank them on the backlinks as well as the keywords and content. Okay, so that's the second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. And the third thing I want to talk to you about is how to get yourself listed here in this map pack. So this comes down to citations. So a citation is basically getting your business information inputted into directories. So a directory is Yellow Pages, Yelp, HomeAdvisor, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. Find out how many directories these guys are listed in, and add yourself to all the same ones and more. So if they're in 150, put yourself in 300 or 250, and you'll outrank them on all three of those categories. That will get you up on this top page of Google. Okay, so those are the three tips I wanted to go over with you. You can either go about this yourself and run with this information, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll get more business calling into you. Or you can give me a call if you have questions, or if you just don't know, don't have the time or don't know how to get this done, and we can talk about your goals and see if it's a good fit for us to work together. Either way is totally okay with me, but I wanted to get you guys this free customized video to hopefully help you out if this is something you're looking for going into the new year. Have a great day. I will let you get back to it, and I look forward to hearing your feedback or thoughts on this information. Thanks so much, Ashley.